Hi everyone, my name is Kate. Welcome back to my wondernetting channel. It's the second tutorial of Christmas home decor, and today we're gonna make peppermint candy pillow together. In the previous tutorial we've made with you the gingerbread man pillow, so if you haven't seen it yet, please check it out. The link will be somewhere here or maybe in the description below this video. So today we're gonna crochet this peppermint candy, and it's really easy to make. Even a total beginner can make this candy. And you will need only one skein of each color, red and white. I used toucan yarn from Hobby. The link to this yarn I'll leave in the description below. Right now Hobby is having Black Friday sale, so check it out. The link will be in the description. I'm planning to make one more Christmas pillow tutorial, so subscribe to my channel and don't miss out. And leave your comments, which pillow do you like the most, gingerbread man or peppermint candy? So let's get started. We'll need one skein of red yarn and one skein of white yarn. I'm using toucan velvet yarn from Hobby, colors 15 and 02, 120 meters per 100 grams. We'll also need 8 mm hook and toy stuffing. So we are starting with the red yarn. Make a magic ring like this. Insert the hook into the ring, grab the yarn, make chain 1, and crochet 8 single crochets into the ring. Insert the hook into the ring, grab the yarn, pull it out, and crochet 2 loops on the hook. It's our first single crochet, and make 7 more. Pull the ring tight. We're going to work into continuous rounds, so insert the hook into the very first stitch and make an increase 2 single crochets in the same stitch. And you can place a stitch marker here. Next, switch the white yarn and continue with it. In the next stitch, make 2 single crochets with the white yarn and keep the yarn tails between your hook and the working yarn. We'll crochet over them as we go. Next, we switch back to the red yarn. Take the red yarn and make 2 single crochets into the next stitch. Now we are going to alternate the colors. 2 red single crochets into one stitch, then 2 white single crochets into the next stitch. Try to hold the yarn in a way that the colors don't twist around each other. You can gently pull the unused yarn between the stitches to keep everything neat. Once you finish the round, you should have 16 single crochets. I'm removing the stitch marker now. It's only there to show where the beginning of the round is. So I'm taking the marker out, switching to the white yarn and making 2 single crochets into the same stitch. Then in the next stitch I make 1 red single crochet, and in the next one 2 red single crochets. We're going to keep increasing in the last stitch of each color section. So here I did 1 stitch, 1 single crochet, and the next stitch an increase. Then switch back to the white. In the first white stitch make 1 single crochet, and in the second one make 2 single crochets. As we move on, it will become much easier for you to understand where we need to make increases. Work like this until the end of the round. In the next round, we'll make the increase in the third stitch of each color section. So we do 1 single crochet, another single crochet, and in the third stitch we make an increase, 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Like I mentioned earlier, from this point on it gets much easier to follow, because in every new round the increase will always go into the last stitch of that color section. Just keep crocheting until you reach the diameter you want, and keep moving your stitch marker up so you always know where the beginning of the round is. So in the next row you need to make an increase in the fourth stitch. Make 3 single crochets and then into the next stitch an increase. In the next round it will be 5 single crochets and increase, then 6 single crochets, then an increase, and so on. And here's what it should look like. As you go, gently tighten the yarn you are not using so the other color doesn't peek through. Once you reach the size you want, continue crocheting without any increases. Just keep repeating the color pattern red over red, white over white for another 2 or 3 rounds. Next, we need to make a second piece exactly the same, so go ahead and crochet another one. I made 13 rounds total, and rounds 14 and 15 I worked straight, no increases, just building up the height. After that, we'll join the 2 pieces together. On one piece I cut the yarn and on another continue using it to join the 2 halves. Lay them right sides facing each other, wrong sides facing out, and single crochet round to connect them. Use red yarn where the stitches are red and white where they are white. Leave a small opening so we can add the stuffing, and now turn the pillow right side out, this is what mine looks like, and fill it with stuffing. Then take a needle and sew the opening closed. And that's it, our little pillow is ready. As you can see, it's super quick and easy. You can definitely make one in just an evening. Feel free to make a few in different colors, sizes or diameters and create your own cozy pillow collection. I thank you for watching this video, I'm sure you did it well. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments or DM me on my Instagram. And we'll see you in the next tutorial, bye kiddos!